Transform your look instantly with these modern shag haircuts. 1. The Wolf Cut Shag. Perfect for thick hair. It removes bulk while adding edgy movement, framing the face beautifully for a bold, youthful, and trendy vibe. Ideal for round faces, the strategic choppy layers elongate the profile, providing a low-maintenance, rockstar look that styles itself naturally. 2. Classic Shag with Curtain Bangs. Ideal for oval faces, this cut adds instant volume and framing, making thin hair look incredibly thick and lively without styling effort. Perfect for those wanting a retro vibe. It effortlessly softens sharp jawlines and balances facial proportions for a naturally chic appearance. 3. Curly Shag. Suits natural ringlets beautifully by preventing the dreaded pyramid shape, evenly distributing curl volume for a flattering, bouncy, and airy look. Excellent for heart-shaped faces, this curly cut draws attention to the eyes and cheekbones while letting your natural hair texture truly shine. 4. Short Pixie Shag. A phenomenal choice for petite facial features. It offers a playful, edgy aesthetic that is incredibly quick to wash and style on busy mornings. Brilliant for older women wanting a modern refresh. The short, lifted layers disguise thinning areas and impart a wonderfully youthful energy. 5. Mid-length Wavy Shag. The ultimate versatile cut for medium hair. It enhances natural beachy waves without requiring hot tools, making it the perfect wash-and-go option. Perfect for framing square faces, the soft falling waves cut right at the collarbone soften angular jawlines and create a relaxed, romantic aura. 6. Choppy Bob Shag. An edgy twist on the classic bob. It removes heaviness from the bottom of the hair, giving flat, straight hair much-needed grit and dynamic volume. Fantastic for those growing out a short cut. This style cleverly hides awkward lengths with its deliberate, messy, and super chic textured layers. 7. Long Layered Shag. The best option to keep your length while entirely removing the dead weight, creating gorgeous, cascading movement that looks effortless and glamorous. Incredible for highlighting facial features. The descending layers draw the eye downward, making it a highly flattering style for long or oval faces. 8. The Shaggy Mullet. For the bold and adventurous, this high-fashion fusion provides intense crown volume, while keeping the back long, screaming confidence and alternative style. Brilliant for fine, straight hair. The drastic difference in lengths creates an illusion of extreme thickness and texture that a standard cut cannot achieve. 9. French Bob Shag. The epitome of Parisian chic. This lip-length cut is tailored with invisible layers to create an incredibly elegant yet slightly unkempt morning look. Superb for highlighting a strong neck and jawline. The messy texture ensures the bob doesn't look too rigid or conservative, keeping it wonderfully modern. 10. Soft Feathered Shag. Ideal for those who fear intense choppy layers. This gentle version blends the steps seamlessly, providing volume and softness without extreme harshness. Perfect for a polished, everyday aesthetic, it mimics the 70s blowout trend while maintaining a low-effort reality that is universally flattering.